Hello everybody, in this video we'll continue learning Python while coding in the website CodeCombat. So let's play.
CodeCombat.
So function, we'll use a function which is important. So we won't repeat the same lines, is we have only to call the function and use it. For example, here we'll use a function that attack and call it when we want to attack a target. Let's define check and attack the target. So we do both. So first move to this point, then find the nearest enemy, and because we are in the top, call it top enemy. Then use the function check attack top enemy that will attack the enemy, and move back to the middle point, which is the middle X. So we'll use the same for the bottom X mark. Use the instruction move here, and then we'll create a variable named bottom enemy and call the function check and attack the target, which is bottom enemy in this case. So find nearest enemy and then call the function check and attack the bottom enemy. And we will repeat this process several times. First, go to the app and check if there is an enemy. There is one, call it top enemy, then use the function to attack it. And there's a problem for the bottom enemy, it doesn't attack bottom. Let's take a look what's wrong with this code. So we use check and attack bottom enemy. We should use enemy instead of item, because there are two instructions: find nearest enemy, and there is another one which is find the nearest item. We are using find the nearest item, then there is no enemy to attack. So it works, and for this level it's done. Let's continue to the next level. Let's play.
Not a problem.
CodeCombat.
So we'll use again a function clear when close. So it will be easy to call it several times without repeating. So this is the definition. So we have to check if it's ready to cleave, then we will cleave. Else, if it's not ready to cleave, then we will use a simple attack. So if it's ready to cleave, you dot cleave. But if it's not, it's because we call it a target in the function, else we will attack a simple attack, hero.attack, and again the target. We keep the same name. Enemy equal hero.find nearest enemy if there is an enemy. Yes, because we refer to the enemy as a target inside the function we use. So we have to put between the parentheses enemy, because that's its name. So it works, and submit. So when the enemy is ready to leave, he leaves, and when there is only one enemy, he attacks him. So it works, and it's done for this level. And this is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.